Assalamualaikum friends, here is 4000 plus t-shirt design with different format like CDR, AI, EPS and PSD, SVG, but these are protected password. In this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number and kindly join me on Facebook Sheri SK. Okay, here is part 1. Total size is 7.13 GB and file is 4317. Okay, in these folder. Here is part 3, but don't worry, I will compressed in 3 GB. Okay, here is 46 folder. Here is 3 awesome design in AI, PDF, PNG. Here is PNG 3 design. Okay, and next is 3 music. Wow, Shutterstock. And next is premium. Oh, okay, and next is here is mockup, here is design, classic bike. Okay, and here is mockup. Amazing. Here is 44 premium AI files. Wow. Here is 30 in CDR, AI and PNG. Here is 50 EPS and here is PNG, AI. Wow, all files are in one file. Oh, horror. Like a ghost. Here is t-shirt 25. Okay, and next is here is 95. God is good all time. Okay, here is SVG file, Wild West. 10 positive cutes Victor. These for t-shirt design. Here is 450 SVG design, dog, family, motivational, school, teacher, violent day, Christmas. Oh, CDR. Amazing. California. Here is summer t-shirt, geometric animal classic collection. Sorry. Just part 1 and part 2 is here. T-shirt printing design. Amazing. You can edit in Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Photoshop. Here is design, funny t-shirt. Okay, I hope these designs are useful for you. Subscribe our channel for more free graphics data. Join me on my Facebook page. Take care, Allah Hafiz.